Hey everybody, this is Jim. Here's another quick video tip. In this quick video tip, I'm going to share with you how to format a blocked quote in MLA Style. It's necessary to block a quote when the quote is 4 lines or more. So as you can see from the example in front of you, I have a quote tucked in that paragraph there. You can see the quotation marks as well as the in paragraph citation that follows. So the first thing you notice is that it is longer than 4 lines. So in MLA, again, if a quote that is 4 lines or more needs to be blocked. So the first thing you need to do is separate the quote from the previous line, and you do that simply by placing your cursor at the beginning of the quote and hitting your return key. Then you want to do the same thing at the end of the quote. Put your cursor after the citation and hit your return key to separate it out. Then you're going to highlight the quote as you see there, and you're simply going to go up to the top in the ribbon, and you're going to click the indent button one time to block it in 1/2 inch. Then you go down to the bottom and you move the period from the end of the citation as it normally is and move it to after the quote. You'll also notice that I removed the quotation marks. The fact that the quote is blocked followed by a citation signifies that it is a quote. So the quotation marks, for whatever reason, are no longer necessary. So there you have it. The block is indented 1/2 inch. You delete the quotation marks and you move the period from after the citation to the end of the quote itself, followed by the citation and no period after the citation. That's all there is to it. I hope this helps. Hey everybody, my name is Jim Harger. I want to tell you about a new course that I'm putting the final touches on, and it's on MLA Style. I have students who struggle with submitting properly formatted papers in MLA. So over the last several months, I've put together a series of tutorials to help them with this. Now I'm putting it together in one course and offering it to you through udemy.com. In my course, I'll share with you how to set the default settings in Microsoft Word on both a PC and a Mac. In addition, I'll show you how to set up the body of your paper, the works cited page, and other things related to MLA Style. In addition, I also share with you how to use the reference feature in Microsoft Word. Using the reference tool in Microsoft Word, you'll be able to build a library of your sources and then insert your citations with the click of a mouse. And then on your works cited page, you can do the same thing. With the click of a mouse, you'll have your references all listed in proper MLA style. There's one more thing I cover as well, and that's plagiarism. Many of my students commit plagiarism without even realizing that they're doing it. For instance, did you know if you include too much quoted material in a paper, it's a form of plagiarism? Well, in my course, I'm going to share with you the 10 types of plagiarism and then offer suggestions on how to avoid those in your papers. So I hope you'll check out my course on Udemy and let me help you write better papers in MLA Style. I'll see you there.